Welcome po sa BIMS App Tutorial 05. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang Personal Profile Management tile ng BIMS App. Ang Personal Profile Management page ay ginagamit para ma-manage and ma-update ng resident ang kanyang personal profile information. Ito ang section kung saan nakastore ang identity information, residency details, household relationship, profile photo, and government ID images na ginagamit throughout the BIMS platform. Sa main dashboard, makikita natin ang tile na Personal Profile Management. Kapag binuksan ito, dadalhin tayo sa Personal Information page. Dito makikita ang section na Your Information, kung saan pwedeng i-review ang personal records ng user. The system automatically loads the saved information when the page opens, so the user can immediately see the current profile details stored in the system. Isa sa important parts ng page na ito ay ang Upload User Photo. Dito, pwedeng i-update ang profile picture ng user. This helps identify the resident visually and supports proper resident validation. Ang page na ito ay nagmamanage ng several types of information. Kasama dito ang personal name information, gender and civil status, birth information, address and residency details, household membership, occupation or source of living, government subsidies, government IDs, user photo, and government ID uploads. Habang ine-edit ang information, ang changes ay temporary muna sa screen. Hindi pa ito final hanggang hindi pinipindot ang update button. This prevents accidental saving of incomplete or incorrect information. May automatic behavior din ang system. For example, ang full name ay generated automatically from the first name, middle name, and family name fields. Some drop-down fields also support an other option para makapaglagay ng custom input kapag wala sa standard choices ang sagot ng user. For government ID uploads, the system can preview the selected image before upload. This helps the user confirm kung tama ang file bago ito i-save. Profile photos can also be updated without reopening the page. Another important part is household management. Users may declare themselves as head of the family. Kapag hindi naman head of the family, the user may select an existing household head from the drop-down list. This helps the barangay organize family relationships, household grouping, and demographic tracking. Mahalaga ang household information dahil ginagamit ito sa barangay residency records, family-based reports, and resident verification workflows. There is also an important protection feature called Account Activation Protection. After barangay approval and account activation, most personal information may become locked or read only. This prevents unauthorized modification of validated resident records. However, some items such as user photo updates may still remain available after activation, depending on the system rules. Government ID uploads may also become disabled after activation to protect validated identity records. Sa right side, makikita ang Personal Information Page Overview Help Panel. It explains what the page does, what information is managed, how the system works, household management, account activation protection, and important reminders. The most important reminder is this: all submitted information must be accurate and truthful. Barangay personnel may use this information for resident validation and public service processing. Incorrect information may affect approvals, certificates, services, and other barangay transactions. In summary, ang Personal Profile Management tile ay designed para magkaroon ang resident ng organized, secure, and validated personal record inside the BIMS app. This page supports identity management, resident verification, household tracking, and accurate public service processing. Sa future how-to tutorials, pag-aaralan natin ang detailed steps tulad ng paano mag-update ng personal information, paano mag-upload ng profile photo, paano mag-upload ng government ID, paano mag-declare ng household head, and paano gamitin ang update button correctly. For now, ito muna ang overview ng personal profile management tile.